Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your TM31 screen is unresponsive, you're not alone. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as wear and tear or an internal connection issue. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further complications, making your device unusable and potentially resulting in costly repairs down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and a replacement screen for the Thermomix TM31. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the panel away, taking care not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Next, locate the display unit inside the device. It is usually connected via a ribbon cable, which can sometimes come loose. To access it, carefully disconnect any cables that may be obstructing your view. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've located the display unit, gently pull it out from its housing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. Now, take your replacement screen and carefully connect the ribbon cable, ensuring it's seated properly to avoid any future issues. Replace the display unit back into its housing and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Before you reassemble the back panel, it's a good idea to test the device. Plug it in and check if the screen is now responsive. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to secure the back panel by reinserting the screws. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure your Thermomix is kept in a dry, clean environment and avoid applying excessive pressure on the screen. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.